Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Cypherium Wallet application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store on your device and then tap on the search box and simply type in Cypherium and start your search. Now from the search results, tap on the Cypherium Wallet application and then you will see the install or the get button. Go ahead and tap on this button and this will begin the download and installation of the Cypherium Wallet application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the Cypherium Wallet app on your device. And now you can simply start using the Cypherium Wallet app by logging into your existing account or signing up and creating a new account to start using right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Cypherium Wallet application on your iOS device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.